Hello friends, good morning. In the last video we have completed a preparation of haloalkanes from alkenes. Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov, both the rules we have completed in the previous class, and we have started also preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols. We will continue again with that preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. From alcohols, three methods are there. First one, from halogen acids, HX, halogen acids. Second one, phosphorus halides, PX3 and PX5. Next, third one, thionyl chloride, SOCl2. First one, halogen acids from halogen acids. When alcohols are reacting with concentrated sulfuric acid concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to form alkyl chloride. Alcohols are reacting with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to form alkyl chloride plus water molecule. Alkyl chloride plus water molecule form. Let's take an example for this. Methyl alcohol is reacting with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, heated with anhydrous zinc chloride to form methyl chloride, CH3Cl plus H2O will form water molecule. When primary and secondary alcohols are heated with Lucas reagent, means concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride is collectively called as Lucas reagent, heated with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride is called Gross process. In this process, the concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous zinc chloride is collectively called as Lucas reagent. This process is called Gross process. Okay, so primary and secondary alcohols are heated with Lucas reagent. What is the meaning of Lucas reagent? Concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous zinc chloride to form corresponding alkyl chloride is called Gross process. So primary alcohol general structure. This is the primary alcohol. The hydroxyl group directly attached to the mono substituted carbon. This carbon contains only one alkyl group. Otherwise, the hydroxyl group which directly linked to the primary carbon is which is directly linked to one another attached on primary carbon, so it is a primary alcohol. When primary alcohols are heated with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride to form primary alkyl chloride plus water molecule will form. This is the general equation of preparation of alkyl chloride from alcohols. Let's take an example for this. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is a primary alcohol because the hydroxyl group attached on primary carbon. What is the meaning of primary carbon? The carbon which is having only one substitute or mono substituted carbon is called primary carbon. When hydroxyl group present on the primary carbon is called primary alcohols. When primary alcohols are react with Lewis reagent or heated with Lewis reagent. Heated with Lewis reagent to form alkyl chloride. Ethyl chloride will form, include this water molecule will form. Next, secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols general structure. What is the meaning of secondary carbon? The hydroxyl group which is directly equal to the secondary carbon. What is the meaning of secondary carbon? Disubstituted. Now this carbon having two alkyl groups, so it is a disubstituted. Disubstituted carbon atom is called secondary carbon. When the hydroxyl group is directly equal to the secondary carbon is called secondary alcohols. When the secondary alcohols are reacting with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride at room temperature to form secondary alkyl chloride, isopropyl chloride. We can take an example for this. Isopropyl alcohol is react with concentrated hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride at room temperature to form isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride plus water molecule form. Primary and secondary alcohols preparation takes place in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Now the tertiary alcohols, when tertiary alcohols are react with Lewis reagent, means even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride, only concentrated hydrochloric acid is sufficient to form tertiary alcohols. Even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride, tertiary alcohols are converted into tertiary alkyl chloride. This is the general structure of tertiary alcohols. What is the meaning of tertiary carbon? Trisubstituted carbon atom is called tertiary carbon. When hydroxyl group directly linked to the tertiary carbon is called tertiary alcohol. When tertiary alcohols are react with concentrated hydrochloric acid, even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride, to form tertiary alkyl chloride plus water molecule. Example for this: tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohols are react with concentrated hydrochloric acid to form tertiary butyl chloride plus water molecule. This is a tertiary butyl chloride. What about this tertiary butyl alcohol? When tertiary butyl alcohols are reacting with concentrated hydrochloric acid, even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride, to form tertiary alkyl chloride. Now the reactivity of towards the Lucas reagent. The order of rate of alcohols towards Lucas reagent is tertiary alcohols is greater than secondary alcohols greater than primary alcohols. What is the reason behind this? Why the tertiary alcohols are completed the reaction even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride means here the anhydrous zinc chloride is Lewis acid. What's the meaning of Lewis acid? Zinc chloride is a Lewis acid. It helps to cleavage the bond between carbon and oxygen. It is react with alcohol. The lone pair of electrons of oxygen is attracted by the zinc chloride. Lewis acid is electron deficient is there. It is attract the lone pair of electron. Means here OH group act as a nucleophile of the lone pair of electron attacking or moving towards the anhydrous zinc chloride. When anhydrous zinc chloride attract the bond pair more towards itself, the bond between carbon and halogen, the carbon and oxygen, the bond between carbon and oxygen become weaker and weaker. The lone pair of electron attracted by the anhydrous zinc chloride. When the electrons moving towards the anhydrous zinc chloride, the bond between carbon and oxygen become weaker and weaker, and the bond cleavage takes place easily when tertiary alcohols are present. Here, after cleavage of this bond, carbocation from here, tertiary carbocation here, secondary carbocation, primary carbocation. Okay, the displacement of hydroxyl group from alcohol is depend on the stability of carbocation. The displacement of hydroxyl group from alcohols is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. Primary alcohols means primary carbocation form. Secondary alcohols after cleavage the bond between carbon and oxygen, secondary carbocation form. Next tertiary carbocation form means here the stability of carbocation is directly proportional to the displacement of hydroxyl group. So the stability of carbocation is also followed by tertiary carbocation is greater than secondary carbocation is greater than tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is greater than secondary carbocation is greater than primary carbocation. This is the order of stability of carbocation. Here, after cleavage the bond between carbon and oxygen, a positive charge is taken place. The positive charge is stabilized by positive inductive effect of alkyl groups. The methyl group is acting as a electron donating group. Electron donating groups are donating the negative charge towards the carbon. So this carbon is a positive charge, tertiary carbocation. The positive charge is stabilized by the alkyl group. The positive charge is stabilized by the alkyl group means stability here. Stability here means the forward reaction is favorable to replace this hydroxyl group takes place easily. Whereas in the secondary alcohols, after cleavage this bond, secondary carbocation from secondary carbocation also stabilized by positive inductive effect of alkyl groups. Positive inductive effect of alkyl groups. When this positive inductive effect means electron donating moving towards the carbocation means the positive charge gradually decreases. When the positive charge on the secondary carbocation decreases, stability of the carbocation increases. Whereas in the primary alcohols, after cleavage of this bond, you will get here primary carbocation. For this primary carbocation is stabilized by only one methyl group. Only one methyl group. Just assume that stability of the percentage of carbocation 100%. For example, 100% of positive charge is there in tertiary carbon. How much? 100% is there. Now the 100% is decreased by these methyl groups. Each methyl group can donate 25% negative charge. Just think it is. Okay, 25% donated by the methyl groups. Total 100% positive charge present in the carbocation. So the 25% to 25%. Remaining how much here? 25% only. 25% positive charge there means positive charge decrease. The positive charge decrease means stability increasing. This means forward reaction is favorable. What about the secondary carbocation? If the secondary carbocation having 100% positive charge, just think it is 100% is there. Now two methyl groups are there. Each methyl group can donate 25% of negative charge. 25%, 25%. How much? 50%. Among 100%, 50% is consumed, means 50% remains at the secondary carbon. That is the positive charge. Means 100% increased by 50%. Means stability increases. So it is a complete at room temperature due to the stability increasing of carbon. Whatever is primary carbocation, after cleavage of this one primary carbocation form, here only one methyl group is there. Now total 100% of positive charge is there. Now 100% of positive charge decreased by only one methyl group. One methyl group can donate only 25%. What I am saying, 20%. 25% will decrease from the 100%. 75% of positive charge remains at the primary carbocation. So these are positive charge is more in the primary carbocation, so stability decreases. So electron donating groups increase the stability of carbocation. That's why the tertiary alcohols are react with a concentrated hydrochloric acid even in the absence of Lewis acid like zinc chloride. It not required zinc chloride because carbocation is more stable. And the reactivity of alcohols towards Lucas reagent is tertiary alcohols greater than secondary alcohols greater than primary alcohol. This is the order of reactivity of alcohols towards Lucas reagent. Next, alkyl bromide from alcohols. From alcohols, alkyl bromides. When alcohols are reacted with sodium or potassium bromide in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkyl bromide. The general equation of these alcohols are reacted with potassium bromide in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide plus potassium hydrogen sulfate plus water molecule will form. In this reaction, potassium bromide plus concentrated sulfuric acid both are react each other to form hydrogen bromide will form. This is a C2. It is generated in the middle of the reaction. It helps to complete the reaction plus KHSO4 potassium hydrogen sulfate will form. Let's take an example for this primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohols. Ethyl alcohols are reacted with potassium bromide in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form ethyl bromide plus water molecule include this potassium hydrogen sulfate will form. Next, secondary alcohols. When secondary alcohols are reacting with potassium bromide in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid to form secondary alkyl bromide plus water molecule plus potassium hydrogen sulfate will form. Example for this: secondary alcohols react with potassium to form isopropyl bromide plus water molecule plus potassium hydrogen sulfate will form. Next, tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols are reacting with the sodium or potassium bromide in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid to form tertiary alkyl bromide plus water molecule plus potassium hydrogen sulfate will form. Example for this tertiary alcohol: tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol react with the sodium bromide in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid to form tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide plus water molecule plus sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sodium hydrogen sulfate will form. Here, primary alcohols are react with the potassium bromide in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkyl bromide, whereas secondary and tertiary alcohols are react in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Why means the secondary and tertiary alcohols are undergoes elimination reaction in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkenes. That's why the secondary and tertiary alcohols are react in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. Instead of dilute sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acids are there, so it is act as a dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating means elimination of water molecule takes place to form alkane. That's why instead of concentrated sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid is react with alcohols to form alkyl bromide. Okay, this is the preparation method of alkyl bromide from alcohols. Okay, next. Next, preparation of alkyl iodide from alcohols. When alcohols are heated with a 57% hydroiodic acid to form alkyl iodide. Alcohols are react with a hydroiodic acid. How much? 57% concentration of hydroiodic acid to form alkyl iodide plus water molecule. Example is ethyl alcohol is reacting with hydroiodic acid 57% concentrated. Okay, alcohols are heated with hydroiodic solution at 57% of concentration to form ethyl iodide plus water molecule will form. This is the preparation method of haloalkanes from alcohols. Next one, phosphorus acids. Phosphorus trihalides and phosphorus pentahalides. When alcohols are heated with the phosphorus halides to form alkyl chloride. alcohols are heated with the pH3, general formula of phosphorus trihalate to form alkyl halate plus H3PO3, phosphorus acid will form. Example for this, methyl alcohol react with the PCl3, phosphorus trichloride to form methyl chloride plus H3PO3 will form. Next, alcohols are react with the phosphorus pentahalate, heated with the phosphorus pentahalate to form alkyl halate plus phosphorus oxychloride plus HCl, hydrochloric acid will form. Example for this, ethyl alcohol is react with the phosphorus pentachloride, heated with the phosphorus pentachloride to form ethyl chloride plus phosphorus oxychloride plus hydrochloric acid will form. This is the preparation method from alcohols, phosphorus trichalates and phosphorus pentahalates to form alkyl chlorides only. Now, from this reaction, second one, bromoalkanes. Bromoalkanes from alcohols. When alcohols are reacting with the phosphorus tribromide, red phosphorus plus Br2 is generated as a PPR to form alkyl bromide plus H3PO3. Now here phosphorus plus Br2 gives PbR3 It is reacting with the reactant to form phylo product. It is called C2. It is generated in the time of reaction. Example of this reaction, methyl alcohol react with the phosphorus tribromide, means red phosphorus plus bromine to form methyl bromide plus H3PO3 will form.